I'm Anil Kumar, and in this playlist, we'll take a few questions which will help you review the concepts learned on the topic polynomial functions. The question here is y equals to 5 a polynomial function? Another part of this question is, write characteristics of the above function. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now let's begin by writing what a polynomial function is, and then we can answer the very first question, which is y equals to 5 a polynomial function? Okay. A polynomial function could be written as y equals to an x to the power of n plus an minus 1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus so on. You can say a2x squared plus a1x plus a0. So that is an example, or in general, that is how we could write any polynomial function. Now here, what is n? N, the exponent of the variable x, is a whole number, right? How about a? A, in general, will be any real number. So an, where n is from 0 to any number, an is a real number. Now the basic definition of polynomial function is kind of like this. Any polynomial function can be written in the form given to you. Based on this, can you answer the question, is y equals to 5 a polynomial function? Let's look into it. X is a variable. There is no variable in this. However, a0, the term which is called a constant, is 5 for us, right? So in this particular case, a is a real number, and we don't have any term whose exponent is not a whole number, right? So we can say y equals to 5 is a polynomial, right? So y equals to 5 is a polynomial. So the answer for this question is yes. Is it okay? Now let's get back to part B, which is write characteristics of the above function. Now to write down the characteristics, let me sketch the polynomial, right? Let's say that is x and y coordinates. Then y equals to 5 will be a horizontal line kind of like this, with y-intercept at 5. Is it okay? So this is x-axis, that is y-axis. Now from here, you can write down the characteristics. So we can say domain is what? X belongs to real numbers. So domain is all real numbers. As far as range is concerned, we can say y belongs to, actually y is just equal to 1 value, which is 5. So we say y equals to 5, since it's a constant function. Can you give any other characteristics? Think about it. So we're doing part 2 now. So 2 characteristics I have given to you. The others could be, well, you could say, how about symmetry? It is symmetric about y-axis, right? So that means it has even symmetry. Is that okay? So that's a good characteristic, even symmetry. You would also say that the graph of the function extends from quadrant to to quadrant 1. Correct. So that's the quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2. So these could be few characteristics for the function. You could also write about its x and y intercept. We can say y-intercept is y equals to 5, and we don't have any x-intercept, so no x-intercept. Is it okay? So like this, you can provide few characteristics of the given function. In our case, it is a constant function y equals to 5. I hope that helps. Thank you, and all the best.